In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove team members from your Asana organization on the free plan, 5 minutes. We'll walk through logging in and using the admin console to deprovision someone from your organization. You'll need to be an organization admin on the free plan for this to work. First, open your browser and go to the Asana login page. Type in the email address you use for Asana and choose Continue. On the next screen, enter your password and click Login. If you use single sign-on with your company, follow that prompt instead, and you'll land on your Asana homepage. From the homepage, look to the top right and click your profile icon. In the menu that opens, choose Admin Console. This takes you to the central place where organization level settings live. On the left side, select Members. This view lists everyone in your Asana organization, including full members and guests, along with their status. Find the person you want to remove. Next to their name, click the three dots menu and choose Remove. You'll see a confirmation window with options. To take the person out of the entire organization, click Deprovision. Deprovisioning instantly revokes their access to all teams and projects under this organization on the free plan, and it frees up a seat for someone else. A quick note on what happens next. Their existing tasks and comments are preserved for accountability and history. In many cases, tasks will remain visible and can be reassigned to an active teammate. If this person owned any key projects or rules, review those items afterward and transfer ownership where needed to avoid interruptions. If you have a long member list, you can scan by email domain to identify internal users versus external guests. Also confirm you are in the correct organization if you belong to more than one. Your profile icon menu will show each org, and the admin console is organization specific. That's the entire process. Log in, open the admin console, go to Members, use the three-dot menu next to the person's name, and confirm by selecting Deprovision. You've now cleanly removed someone from your Asana organization on the free plan. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, keep this workflow handy for offboarding, and remember to reassign any critical work right after you deprovision. See you in the next tutorial.